Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a whipped cream tumbler topper using an easy method. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need lightweight air-dry clay, a piping bag with a star tip, and a clean tumbler lid. Having a reliable adhesive on hand is also crucial for securing your creation. This simple approach makes crafting fun and accessible for everyone, even if you're new to DIY projects. Let's get started. Now let's prepare our whipped cream. Take your lightweight clay and knead it thoroughly until it's soft and easy to work with. If you want a brighter white, mix in just a tiny bit of white acrylic paint. This step helps achieve that realistic, fluffy look. Once your clay is perfectly conditioned, carefully load it into your piping bag, fitted with a star tip, ready for the next exciting step. It's time for the fun part, piping. Hold your piping bag at a slight angle and begin piping the clay onto your tumbler lid in a continuous circular motion. Gradually build up layers to create a beautiful, voluminous dome shape, just like real whipped cream. Don't worry if it's not perfect initially. You can use a small sculpting tool or even a toothpick to gently smooth out any rough edges or refine the peaks. Take your time and enjoy the process. After piping, your whipped cream topper needs to air dry completely. This usually takes between 24 to 48 hours, depending on humidity and thickness. Once fully dry, apply a clear sealant to protect your creation from dust and minor damage, giving it a durable finish. This ensures your topper lasts a long time. For more creative ideas and great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.